Oh, hey there. I didn't even see you. Totally unprepared. All right, guys, I'm going to talk about these jaws here. Okay, first let me tell you where you can get them. Number one, they're Nick's Design Workshop. They're on Etsy. I'll put a link in the description, okay? So let's talk about these jaws, or these stitching vices and why I like them. Stitching clams. They're benchtop, meaning you can move them anywhere. I'll put a little overlay here. They have these thumb screws on the bottom that you can just move this base anywhere. As long as you have a little bit of a lip, you can just tighten them down with the thumb screws. So there's a main base, then there's a swivel base attached to that, and then there's the actual clam on top of that. Okay, so let me show you how these clams can swivel, turn, and change different axes. All right, I think this is pretty neat, especially if you're stitching something that's oddly shaped. You can twist it, bend it, rotate it to your liking. You can rotate it back on itself on the table to stitch on the table just to hold the flap or something like that. I often do that. So I bought these two. They have different ones, but these are the two that I'm going to talk about. I have this very long one with a really deep throat that you can use on the tip and also on the long side of the clam. This is particularly good for bags because you can get a deep grab on the inside of the bag and manipulate those axes to put the bag at the most comfortable position to stitch. You know, stitching a bag is a little awkward. There's different ways of doing it. I find that this way is the best for me. I often change between stitching in the clam and then putting it on a table. It's just awkward, especially when you're doing the gusset, super awkward. So that's the first kind I have, that big one there. The second one is really good for strap goods. I do all my straps on there. Has a really wide jaw, so not that deep of a throat. So you can't really stitch anything that's pretty deep, but perfect for straps because it'll hold the strap. A lot of these jaws have just a tip, it's like a 4-inch tip or a 6-inch tip that doesn't really grab a strap. It'll grab the strap, but you can only stitch 4 inches at a time. Then you have to move it, unclamp it. This other one here, this longer one, man, you can do a lot and it'll hold it. It doesn't wiggle on you and everything. That's the beauty of these clamps. Absolutely love them. He did come out with a different version of this long strap one, and it has it's the same build, but it has a deeper throat. I think this one's 4 inches. He has another one that's 6 inches. Once again, I'll put links in the description. The craftsmanship on these items are top notch. Love it. You could tell that he has attention to detail. It's absolutely amazing. Love them. I think they're made out of 3/4 inch plywood, which makes it affordable. Still very sturdy. These things come in and around. These are the biggest. This is like the cream of the crop package. You can just get the clam and then zip that down into the table, but I bought everything. The base, the swivel, and the clam. And I think for a little over $100, I forgot exactly, don't quote me on that. A little over that, you can get the whole shebang, okay? What you could do is just buy the base and the swivel and buy 4 or 5 different type of clams and just switch them out. They're all 1/4-20 screws and bolts and nuts. So if you want to modify it somehow or zip it directly into your table, you could do that. He makes it very easy. Everything is thumb screws, so you can undo the clam, loosen it up easily, like a 1/4 turn, and tighten it up again. Everything is just like a 1/4 turn to loosen that nut or that screw, and put it in a position that you think is most comfortable. Super easy. The other good thing about this is a small detail. He has magnets on both sides of these things. So very easy. I love that feature of this clam. When you're finished stitching, you have to move it. You just take your needles and just clip them right in the side of your clam there. And you have 2 magnets on both sides, not just one side, they're on both sides. So I think that is absolutely amazing. I'll put a playlist up here. You can actually see me working with these clams. But that's all I got for you guys. If you guys like this kind of stuff, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell button. The other thing I want to talk to you about is the last video I did, that giveaway with these gentlemen suspenders. Absolutely did really well. For me, a small YouTuber, under 1,000 subscribers, having a video that has 2,000 views in one day, I love it. It's amazing. It's good. So I think I'm going to go that direction a little bit. I'm going to try, test things out. I want to start doing a giveaway once a month. Don't quote me on that. It's just an idea. But eventually, when I get to the point where I'm giving away something like this, if we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway for a wallet and a keychain. Okay, I'll give away one of these wallets here and a keychain. And what I'm thinking I might do is make a build video of me making that item and then putting up a giveaway or contest or you guys can potentially win it. And it's handcrafted. I'm not giving away somebody else's product, you know. I'm making it with my hands, and you're getting it directly from my shop, right, sent to you. So I'm thinking about doing something like that. Guys, let me know if you're interested in doing something like that. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll do a giveaway for a wallet and a keychain. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Have a good day. Merry Christmas. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.